Oh, look at that cool van. That's awesome. I love that. So cool. Anyways, they're here and I think they're ready to go. All right, y'all go first. I'll follow y'all. I guess Dana's leading and everybody's kind of just sitting here. What are we waiting on? Well, go follow them. You have to keep people in order. Because Steve likes to follow behind Dana, so okay, we're going. Oh, I was like, wait, what was that? Get so paranoid now. All right, let's get a moving, people. Oopsie. All right, everybody, you know what time it is. Onward Bound. We kind of went up high. Yes, we are on 35 north. So we could have went up high and went around that way, but we wanted to take this route because Steve said it was more scenic, because it goes along the coastline, I believe. So there should be some things. Oh, there it goes right here. I'm gonna get over 35 north. Around and go towards the ocean. Where's others? Mick and Colleen are behind me. They're a little bit back there. I was wondering where they were. Ooh, pretty bridge coming up. Texas State Aquarium, USS Lexington North Beach. Going to continue on. Public beach access. This is so beautiful. Look at this. There's the tribe right there. Granny Joe, the family, and ooh, okay. Wow, this is really hard packed. It's not the beach I was thinking, but it is right on the ocean. It's awesome. Yay, we're here! It's beautiful. Awesome. I'm so excited.
I feel good!
This is awesome! So Panda handled awesome, and that was like almost 2 hours worth of driving. Normally she would have stopped, so I'm just really grateful. I guess what we did or what Mick helped me with ended up working. So yay!
Here, something's wrong with it.
Yeah, you gotta.
Does it look okay?
Yeah, it looks fine.
You sure?
Yeah, it looks perfect. This is freaking amazing.
Put your door so you can step right into the water like
And beautiful.
I like
Also, it's shells and not a lot of sand, so that way the sand won't blow up like they were having at Padre.
Yay!
Hey!
Darn, nothing to eat.
No treasure, girl. Are you hungry?
What is it? I'm always hungry, especially for seafood. Look, it's gone.
I think you might have to go dive into that right there if you want to get some seafood.
Granny drive all the way up street,
right.
so we can all.
So my door's not going to be to the ocean because the sun is that way, and I'm going to keep it parked just like this. But my window is to the ocean, so that'll be great when I'm editing. Did you just smack my butt, Hessie?
I did. And I was shaving my legs in the truck. He was like, what are you doing shaving your legs in my truck? I said, it's our truck and it's my side.
Made me a lettuce wrap. So it's like butter crunch lettuce. It's really leafy. Then there's cheddar, smoked Swiss, some chicken, carrot, and green beans. You just roll it up. That is the wrap. I love this lettuce. It's really leafy and soft.
It's like a hard black. No way!
Look, doesn't that look good?
Yeah, I think right there. Massage me.
This is how Cheslin gets a massage. Go ahead, kid.
Oh,
How's it feel?
so amazing. You should really get one.
I know, I should get one. It looks amazing.
Beach physical therapy.
I know. Wow, y'all are really going at it.
The head and the legs a little bit. Yeah, the legs.
Okay then. Here's the Asian pug massage. Go ahead, Asian pug massage. Oh, he jumps over her. No walkie-walkie on your back today. Hey, not the head. Do I want what? Look at that boat. What?
Beans in a wiener.
Do I want beans in a wiener? No.
A dog.
Hot dog, ma'am.
Yeah.
That's a cool sailboat. Look at the catamaran. Is it catamaran?
It's a hobie cat. Oh, whoa, a catamaran is two.
Catamaran? I thought it was catamaran.
I don't know. You're always correcting me. I'm sure you're right.
I'm not always correcting you. You just corrected me. Alright everybody, well this is the end of this video. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my day here and hopefully I'll see you right back at the same spot tomorrow. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. Mwah. I love everyone out there. Look at all the tiny fish. No, if you actually stand in there, they'll
eat your feet.
yeah.
Your hands and your. Ben just went. He went all the way out there and caught a bunch and ate them.
Are they hopping out?
Yeah.
Oh my God, here they come.
They're up here, go.
Look at all of them.
Sushi, then. Sushi.
They're just,
Just be in here and they'll feel them nibbling on you.
yeah, they'll nibble on your
They'll
feet.
like ram into you. You like feel thousands of them.
You gonna put your feet in? It's not that bad. Oh my God, look at all of them.
Put your hand in there. That's even more creepy because you can really feel it with your hand.
I know.
Yeah, Banjo.
You need to hold a light like.
Oh my God, they're literally attacking my feet.
Really?
Yes.
What if y'all get some kind of weird like?
No, they do that at some salons.
Yeah, they use them to
Oh my
clean
God,
up
they're
the-
like all over my feet.
They're all getting.
They're like, girl, you need some pedicure.
Yeah, you need a pedicure. Here, let me help you out. We're from Asia.
Yep, that's what they're doing to our people. Think of all the fish pee
You had
that's
a
in
light
there.
to.
They have to pee and poop.
If you had a
Wow,
light
they-
to shine horizontally, you could see them all hopping out.
At least how many there are.
Get him, Banjo. Get him.
So many.
Get him.
He literally like swam out there.
Get him, Banjo. Get him.
I wonder if he ever got any.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
she
yeah,
fed him
In
one.
his mouth.
Yeah.
Really? I'm weird about stuff messing with my feet, so I don't know.
It's not that bad. Oh, see?
He's doing it. That's the closest to a pedicure you've ever had.
Yeah.
He won't go get one.
Oh my God,
Banjo,
Banjo's
what do you
going
think about all
crazy.
that? They all hopped when he smashed his face on there. Get him!
Think
Get him,
about
get him,
them-
Andrew, get him.
Think about those pelicans, all the fish they get when they're doing that.
Get him!
Sipping that. Those 2 gallons of
Oh, this is tripping
seawater.
me out.
Put your hand in there. Put your hand in there, you can really feel them.
Imagine laying your whole body like.
Oh, that's
They're just all over my feet.
Yeah. Ugh, I don't like it. I'm sorry. Yeah.
You've never touched fish before?
No, I'm not a big fish person. Oh, they went between my toes.
I know they were.
feeling.
Yeah, they were eating.
Oh my
their
gosh, I gotta
toes.
get out. I'm going.
Look how pretty that is.
Yeah, that's
It's
neat.
really pretty over there.
Oh, yeah.
There's
Aw.
poor fish out of water. He's like,
Get
yeah,
him,
I'll take
Andrew,
care
get
of
him.
that.
Not as many as I
Oh,
thought.
that is
they'd
so
be.
neat. Bless their hearts.
I think so many.
Do you think they just hatched?
It looks like a yeah. It looks like they just hatched.
Fish hatchery season.
Look right here. There's
Look
like,
how excited he is. He just wants to keep going.
He's like, I'm gonna eat them all. I'm gonna eat everyone.
And then he loves eating
So hungry.
kelp. He eats the
Aja, are you ever afraid you're gonna drop your camera in the water?
I try not to think of that.
you need to put the strap around your neck.
This is banjo fishing.
Well, I think I
noodles.
saw a big fish.
He
jump
noodles
out
straight with his mouth. Wow, that's really pretty. Beautiful. Here come the waves.
You dropped your. Oh, the wave
It just-
crashed on you.
there. Yeah, it ruined it. No, it just. I was like,
Darn it.
Okay, I'm gonna get a little bit more pedicure, and then I'll be good for the night. Banjo, you're ruining my pedicure there, sir.
Oh man. You're over here too, Bug.
Yeah, get him, get him.
Good job. He's gonna be full of salt. No.
Get him, Banjo, get him.
Oh, you snapper. So cute.
Oh, there's just tons of them.
Oh, the
Look at
kids
that.
would love this, but they're crashed.
I know. Oh yeah, that
Tomorrow
would be
night,
awesome.
how about tomorrow night?
Yeah.
I let them stay up late or something, and we could do like a school project, you know? Fun experience.
There you go.
You can't
Get
even,
my foot. Get my foot. Ooh.
can't even fathom how many there are.
There's like thousands upon
Millions,
thousands.
I bet.
Yeah, I'm
You know what
sure.
I mean? Like, look at this. I bet
It must
they're
have been a
everywhere.
spawn or something because they're just so many.
spring. You know, it's a spring.
Oh yeah.
What?
Spring. I mean, think
Yeah,
about all kinds
the birds
of,
and the bees
animals and everything
get
that-
busy in the springtime.
Oh my God, look at them.
Yeah.
They are attacking my feet.
Wow, that jumped up on your ankle. Oh my gosh, that's creepy.
Does feel a bit weird.
Yeah, they're everywhere.
Yeah, we walked down and there's just more and more and more. Yeesh.
Amazing. He's so
I wonder if
excited.
you're going to see a lot more tomorrow during the day out here.
No, they only come at night, I think.
This is strange.
I wonder why they come so close to the shore.
Do you suppose they feed on
Maybe it's
other
normal.
things
Could
up here?
Could be.
They feed off
True.
microbials and
Yeah.
whatever you
That's what I'm thinking. Up on the shoreline is where they get their...
Yeah, look at all those. Pedicure time. So the fish are gone.
Hey, Banjo.
He's like, what do you got in your hand? It's a camera.
Come here, baby.
So yeah, there's most of the fish have gone. They just disappeared. There's a few here still, but oh no, they're starting to come
Uh-oh,
back.
here comes some more.
They're starting to come
Right.
back. Yeah.
There we go.
Oh, here they come. They saw the light. So it's the light they're attracted to.
I wonder if they were following us down there. And...
Huh. Oh, look at there they are.
Ah, good. I don't know why I like when they're here. It's cute.
Mwah. I love everyone out there. Bye.